Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Shaurya's Knowledge Hut. On this day of Ganesh Chaturthi, I am bringing you to the real meanings and learnings from Lord Ganesha. Have you ever wondered why did Shankar Bhagwan not put the same head which he cut off from Ganesh Ji's torso first? This was because when our body is made, we are full of ego and we are unable to recognize God. Shankar Bhagwan replaced the head of ego with a head of wisdom and then named him Ganesh. When we see each and every part of the body of Ganesh Ji, it teaches how to inculcate spiritual wisdom in our daily life. So let's start. First point, forehead. Ganesh Ji's forehead is very broad, signifying wisdom and broad intellect. Second, eyes. The eyes are so tiny. Anyone with wise intellect will exhibit farsightedness. When we observe something which is very far from our eyes get automatically smaller. It is important to think consequences before doing the karma. Third, mouth and ears. Mouth is also tiny, which means speak less but speak useful. Ears are huge, which means listen more. Now, ear shape is like a sieve. Sieve does the work of filtering and separating. It retains the good and throws away the waste. Two tusks, but one is broken and there's only one. We are nowadays divided upon many bases age, gender, caste, and many more. Where there will be ego, there will be duality. Everyone has a soul inside, which is of the same kind. That's why one tusk, not two. Trunk. A trunk can uproot a tree as well, but can lift a child as well. Spirituality means the perfect balance of soft and powerful. This balance is depicted by the trunk. Sixth, stomach. Every deity has a perfect body, but why Ganesh Ji has a huge stomach? The wise soul retains everything which is heard and retains it in the stomach. Hearing anything from someone and telling it to someone else is not the quality of a wise soul. A big stomach signifies the power to accept. Now, the four hands. First hand holds an axe, which is to cut off all the negative thoughts of past and live in the present. Second hand holds a rope, which means we need to tie ourselves with the power of discipline. Third hand is shown giving blessing. We need a lot of things from others like trust, appreciation, and more. But Ganesh Ji's hand is shown blessing, not asking for something, which means even if we don't get anything, we should keep giving at least blessing to everyone. Fourth hand is holding a modak. A modak takes a lot of time to prepare. The same is with to inculcate spirituality in life. But once we are fully finished with inculcating spirituality and making the modak, then the modak tastes delicious. Once we inculcate all this in our life, we automatically start getting success, appreciation, and more. Eighth style, sitting style of Ganesh Ji. Ganesh Ji sits one leg folded with only one toe of leg, one leg touching the ground, which means we live on this earth enjoy our beautiful life. Spirituality doesn't mean away from everyone, detached but loving. Do everything, but don't let anything influence us. Ninth and the last point, Riddhi Siddhi. Ganesh Ji's wives are always with them. Once obtain a disciplined lifestyle, prosperity, which means Riddhi, and Siddhi, which means success, are always with us. We don't have to run around for all of this. We have to be like Ganesh Ji. Give sorrow to nobody, but give happiness to everyone. Hope you like the video. If you do, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.